In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and interact with sellers on DHgate. Whether you're hunting for a good bargain or seeking a specific product, understanding how to effortlessly move through the platform and communicate effectively with sellers can greatly enhance your shopping experience. Let's dive in and make your shopping journey as smooth as possible. First, you want to head over to DHgate. Open up your web browser and type in DHgate's website URL. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a homepage full of a wide array of products ranging from electronics to fashion and everything in between. Browsing through DHgate is similar to window shopping on a busy shopping street. Take your time to navigate through various categories or use the search bar to quickly find a specific item you're interested in. Once you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to bring up the product details page. This is where you can see all kinds of useful information, including product specifications, pricing, and reviews from other buyers. These reviews can provide invaluable insights into the quality and reliability of the product, so it's worthwhile to spend a few moments reading them. Now here's a crucial part of the shopping process, engaging with the seller. At this point, you should scroll down until you locate the seller's name. Next to the seller's name, you'll notice a handy little message icon. Clicking this will open up a chat window where you can start a direct conversation with the seller. This is your opportunity to ask any questions about the product, negotiate prices if possible, or discuss shipping details. Establishing a good rapport with the seller can not only help you get better deals, but also ensure you receive exactly what you're expecting. Don't hesitate to reach out and clarify all your doubts before making a purchase. And just like that, you've made your way through the process. By now, you should feel confident in your ability to browse and engage with sellers on DHgate, paving the way for a seamless and successful shopping experience. Remember, effective communication is key, so taking advantage of the tools DHgate provides can significantly improve your transactions. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. With these steps, you're well equipped to navigate DHgate efficiently and benefit from the myriad of products and deals it offers. Happy shopping!